Welcome back to the channel. Today, the 2026 GMC Savana Explorer represents the pinnacle of luxury travel vans, blending rugged performance with first-class comfort. This is not just a van, it's a statement of power, style, and adventure. Under the hood, the 2026 Savana Explorer carries a robust 6.6-liter V8 Duramax diesel engine, delivering smooth yet powerful torque, ensuring effortless cruising even when fully loaded. GMC has refined the suspension for an ultra-smooth ride, reducing cabin vibrations and road noise dramatically. Step inside, and you immediately understand why the Explorer Edition stands in a class of its own. The cabin feels like a private jet lounge. Plush, diamond-stitched leather seats with heating, cooling, and massaging functions welcome you into a world of comfort. Ambient lighting runs along the cabin edges, creating a warm and elegant glow at night. At the center of the dashboard, a massive 15-inch touchscreen infotainment system dominates the view. It integrates seamlessly with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and the latest GMC IntelliLink software. The digital instrument cluster behind the steering wheel offers customizable displays, allowing you to monitor everything from fuel efficiency to trip data with ease. Passengers in the rear enjoy a first-class setup. The captain's chairs recline fully, featuring built-in leg rests and adjustable headrests. Each seat is equipped with its own entertainment display, offering access to streaming platforms, navigation tools, and wireless connectivity. The 2026 Savana Explorer also includes a full mini-lounge setup. A fold-out table, mini-fridge, and concealed storage compartments turn the van into a mobile living space. For longer journeys, the rear seats can convert into a flat sleeping area, complete with ambient ceiling lights and blackout shades for maximum comfort. GMC didn't stop at comfort. They've also packed in advanced safety features. The Savana Explorer is equipped with adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane keep assist, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system for easy parking and maneuvering. On the road, the driving experience feels effortless. The steering is precise, the braking is responsive, and the upgraded transmission shifts smoothly under every condition. Even at high speeds, the van remains quiet and composed, giving passengers a serene and relaxing journey. The exterior design deserves a mention of its own. Chrome accents line the body, while the aerodynamic shape helps reduce drag and enhance performance.